This is a pristine wilderness created in 2002 when flood waters ate away over 40 feet of rock from this area, creating what is now known as the Canyon Lake Gorge. We're at the far end of the gorge, at the end of the gorge near South Access Road. This is where the water finally trickles down from the lake end way down there through all the channels, drops, cavernous areas, and out it comes out here. The grasses here have grown in. This thing was barren and ugly, rockish right through here like this throughout the whole area years ago. Nature came back in, filled in, added soils, soft topsoils, alluvial soils deposited here by flooding over the past 10 years, 14 years actually now. There's more soft soils that are packed up over here. The original channels are no longer open. They have to be diverted naturally. The streams diverted naturally around the soils into the channels over here and there. You have the beautiful sounds of the brook. There, through here, through there. You have cattails, you have rancospora down here. You have plants growing that would never have been here if in 2002 we had not had a flood. All you'd see was plants like up there, on the top of a hill. Cedar, oak, willow baccharis, other various vegetation. You can see the layers of soil here that were wiped away by the floods that happened then, exposing bare limestone and soil layers. Different beds of fossils are in here. It's a gorgeous place to come for a tour. I'm showing you this end of it so you can see what goes on in nature when nature takes back over what has already been carved out or man has allowed to happen. You have the soil layers here. You have the plants that act like a filter for any bacteria or oils or trash to come through here. There's a reason these plants grow the way they do in water. They grow as a filter. They allow filtration to occur. Water plants take things out that don't need to be in the water. That allows insects and the animals and the creatures downstream to continue to live in a healthy environment. Each one of these plants produces oxygen for us. They take out carbon dioxide from the air that we expel, that other things expel, and create a healthier environment for us. Could you imagine living in a world without all this beautiful greenery? You'd be choking to death on your own expelled CO2. The plants here, the variety of plants here is tremendously amazing. Now the water is a little slippery and wet. I'm not going to get into it today. The other day when I have my special boots on I will, but you have different types of vegetation and water plants here. We'll get into that actually another day, and we'll teach you some more about that. There is a learning center that's going to go in right next door behind those trees in a year or two, and when it opens up you'll be able to have classes down here and it'll be really, really cool. The Gorge is an amazing place to come. Come get your tour. Come out here to Gorge and have fun. We'll teach little bits and pieces throughout history through the Gorge and through its exposed rock layers, the grasses and the plants you'll be able to see. The fossils of the past, the current vegetation, and the animals of the present come together in an amazingly beautiful array that you can take up to 3 or 4 hours just to explore as you go through in your tour. But I'll leave you with this. It's a beautiful place. Come on out. Have fun.